Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to maximize the use of your Casio 991ES Plus. This calculator is programmed with a lot of conversions, from around 40 conversions from lineal to temperatures to cubic volume and others. So this is very helpful for you. This session I will show you how to convert Celsius through Fahrenheit using this calculator. Okay, so I have a sample problem here. The problem is how many degrees Celsius in 150 degrees Fahrenheit. By manual solution, we know that degree Celsius is equals to 5 over 9, then close and open parenthesis, degree Fahrenheit minus 32. So here, now the answer is 65.5.55. That is assuming you know the formulas. In case you don't know the formulas, but you have the calculators, you have your calculators with you, then you don't have to worry, because once you are already used to these calculators, it's very easy. The steps to follow are there are 3 steps. So just click mode 1 or the computational mode. So how is that possible? Just click mode, then 1. So now you are in the computational mode. Second, since the problem is you convert 150 degrees Fahrenheit, so just enter 150. No, sorry. 150. So that's it. Now, click shift here and then click number, shift 837, 8 then 37. This 37 is when you are going to convert degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. The number 38 is for degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. So that's it. So all you have to do is click the equal button here. So the answer that will be shown to you is in fractional form. To get the decimal form, you just click SD here. So now you have the 65.55 degrees Celsius. So that's very easy, right? This calculator is very helpful for all of you guys who are reviewing or planning to take the exams, whenever what exams that is that involves conversions. So I hope you learned from this session. Just click the follow button below. Thank you so much for watching.